Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. In this video, we are going to talk about Selenium hands-on. Okay, the language we are going to use in this video is Python. Okay, for Java already uploaded in my channel. So if you are newer, then you can go there and check for that one. But yeah, for Python you can continue with this session. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So this will be a you can say VM of the hands-on. So first we will open this project, and inside this project we will open first problem statement. Okay, so we have to open with Chrome, okay, so that we can see side by side what we have to do, and then we can parallelly do our testing. Now open Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is our IDE. Okay, so the system will be slow, but yeah, we have to wait some time. Yeah, so problem statement you can see here, it is open for us, and also Visual Studio Code is open for us. So first what we will do, we will open a folder. So for this one you have to click on file, open folder. You have to go to your desktop, and in desktop you can see this project folder. Just double click on it, and then you can get this final folder. So click a single click and then click on open. Okay, so for like this way you have to click on yes, I trust the author. Okay, now just minimize this one. Okay, so first we will open this website as well. Okay, open a new tab. You can see this application is open in the new tab. Okay, now read the problem statement. Okay, they are saying, like, we already know, so I don't take so much of time, but I'm just saying to like I'm going to say you like what we have to do. Okay, in the first step we have to choose the euro currency. Okay, and then we have to give this value, and then you have to convert it to USD dollar. Okay, so go to the ID. We will okay, yeah, I think this much of let me increase the font size as well. Yeah, so I think this will be clear for you. Yeah, now fine. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go to the Python code. Java code already did, right? So we will open this folder, and inside this one you can see this selenium test.py. Open this one. Okay, now in these two functions we have to write the code. Just install this extension. Okay, it will install there, not an issue. In the background, yeah, we will write the code. Just remove this comment and pass. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to first select euro. Okay, so euro, if you see here, it's a drop down. Okay, it's a drop down. So to handle a drop down in Python, we have to create a select class. So first we will create a variable select something issue, not an issue. Yeah, okay, go there. Okay, select equals to, now function we will call select function, SELECT. okay, this is a predefined select. Okay, and inside this one we have to pass the element. So like in Java we are directly writing driver.findElement, but for this one we have to use the self keyword. Okay, so we have to write like self.driver dot find element, find underscore element. Okay, extension is downloaded, right? Yeah, is it downloaded? If you see the we can remove this welcome message as well. Yeah, so driver dot find element. Okay, now bracket open. We have to write like this way, by dot id. Okay, and we have to give comma, and then here we have to give the locator. So first we will find this locator. So control shift I. Okay, inspect this element, you will find some id. So id is given currency. Copy this one, go to your code and paste the value. Okay, now here we have located a variable, sorry, located a locator. Okay, in this variable, but we have to call this locator. Okay, now select we have to give in small case. Okay, select, this is a variable name, dot select. So you can see there are the many options, select by index, select by value, so anyone you can choose. Okay, so for this one I am going to choose select by index, and see where euro is there. So euro will be on third location. Okay, 0 1 2 3, euro will be on third index, so just give 3. So euro we have selected. Okay, now we have to give the value. So we will copy this one, till single bracket, copy this one, paste here. Okay, s left, just write s. Okay, now we can see we have to send this value here, 795, right? What we have seen in the problem statement. Okay, copy this given amount, this is a id locator. Copy this one, paste here, and then here we have to send value. So value we are giving like dot send underscore keys. Okay, and then value we will say send it 795. So if you see here, So in Python, in Java we are writing send keys, k will be capital, but in Python we are writing send underscore key. So this is the syntax, so we have to follow the syntax. Okay, now okay, we have to, now we have to select this one. Okay, inspect this one. So ID is currency to find. Okay, first what we will do, we will copy the same element. Okay, just copy the same element till here. Okay, okay, we have to write like okay, so 795 is selected there, right? Yeah, now we will paste the same value, self.driver dot find element. Now we have to click this value. Okay, this is for currency dot, so we will create again one class, control C, we will paste here. Okay, make sure about the indentation part. Okay, so what we will do now, we will give it select one. Okay, so that there won't be any confusion between these two variables. Now we have to select this item. Okay, go there, select this one, this is currency dot find. Okay, give here currency dot find. Okay, and then we have to select dot select by index same. Now we have to select dollar, right? In the problem statement, if you see, we have to select for step 1 we have to select US dollar. Okay, so we will go there and we will check like where is US dollar. So you can see it is present in index 1. Okay, so select by index and then we have to pass the index value, that is 1. Okay, 3, yeah, now all good. Okay, now go to the problem statement again. Okay, just see what we have done till now. We have selected euro, we have sent this value, now we have selected this US dollar. Okay, okay, now what we have to do, we have to calculate amount in the text box and assert it and get the amount. Okay, we have to get the amount and assert it. Okay, okay, so get the amount. Okay, how to get the amount? So if you see here, so I will do manually as well. Okay, we have to select euro. Okay, we have to give 795. What we have done automatically there now, we will do it manually. And here we have to select US dollar. Okay, so we will get this value. So inspect this material. Okay, ID is result. Okay, it is result. So what we will do, we will copy this element. Okay, copy it and paste here. Okay, make sure about the indentation. Okay, and here we have to give the locator as result. Okay, because we are now locating this value. Okay, so give here. Okay, and we will store this one in some value, so we will say result 1. Okay, result 1 is a variable and dot get text. Okay, in Selenium we are writing directly text. Okay, okay, now so whatever the value will come, it will store in result 1. So if you see manually, the value will be 848.45. so this value will be stored here. Okay, now we have to assert it. So in Python, how we are asserting? So if you don't know, suppose if you don't know like how to assert, so you can go to the Google Chrome. Okay, you can write how to assert a value in Python. Okay, and give Selenium. Okay, so you can see here self.assert equals. Okay, we have to use this one, so copy this one. Okay, go to the code. Okay, we will paste here. Okay, and element.text, it means we have to pass the element. Okay, so element will be stored in result 1, so we will give the result 1 here. Okay, and expected text, so expected text, what we are going to give, amount we have to get, right? So for this one, what we will do, in double quotes. Okay, in double quotes we will send this value, what we have done manually. Okay, if you go there, so you can see here 848.45. copy this one, go to your code again. Okay, and paste here. Okay, 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 cool. So first problem statement is okay for us. Okay, we have completed successfully first one. Now the step 2. Step 2, again we have to do the same thing. Okay, but we have to select some different dominations like Indian rupees and euro, and then we have to give some different value. Okay, now we will do that part. Okay, so till here is fine. Okay, let me check once again. We have used the select statement. Select. Oh yeah, we have to click. We have to give here select 1. okay, because we are using this select now, so we have to give select 1 here. Now this is fine. Now we will move to this code. Okay, so we will copy this line again, copy this 3 line, paste here. Okay, again same thing we have to do. Okay, again same thing we have to do, but with a different domination. So we already know this one. So what we have to do here, so if you go to the problem statement, they are asking us to choose euro first. Choose Indian rupee first and then give this value. Okay, first see where Indian rupee is located. So it is index 0, it will present in index 0. So we will go there and given currency we will see index 0. So it's a Indian rupees. Okay, now we have to give some value, but we can't send directly because we already sent this value now, so we have to clear that value first. Okay, and then we have to pass dot clear. Okay, dot clear, what it will do, it will clear the value, and then again in the same thing we will pass some different value. So this time the value will be, go to problem statement, copy this one 67567, copy there, copy this one and paste here. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, paste outside. Okay, we will copy again. Okay, so we have given this value, right? Now what we have to do, go to problem statement again. See, we have selected this one. Now from the second drop down we have to select euro. From the second drop down is this drop down. So copy this one, okay, give it selenium, select 1, then give select 2. Okay, give it select 2, sorry, this one as select 2 and this one as select 3. Okay, yeah, select 3 and we will find this value. Okay, and then we have to select 3 dot select by. Okay, just copy this 3 line, copy this one. It should give suggestion, I don't know why it is not showing. Let's try again. Okay, just remove. If you won't get suggestion, just try once again. Okay, just write select 3 dot. Okay, not an issue, just paste the value. Okay, index, which index we want, this time euro will be on index 3, right? So select 3. Okay, now see there what we have to do. We have selected euro again, and then again we have to choose the previous date. Okay, now here is interesting things they have asked us to do. If you see here, so you can see the date is 22. Okay, and then they are asking us to choose the previous date. It means the output will be 21. Okay, output will be 21. So what we will do now, we have to check the date. Okay, now go to the website first. Okay, and we will see the date here. We can see the date. Okay, just click here. Okay, ID, you can see here date. So first what we will do now, we will copy this element. Okay, this time also we are using ID, so copy till ID, paste here. By ID will be date, right? Date. Okay, and here we will send value, so send keys. Okay, send keys. Okay, so previous date we have to give. Okay, so based on today's date we will send, because we are doing hands-on today, right? So today is 3rd April. So what we will do, we will give 2nd of April. Okay, so 02 we will send. So we will send 02. Okay, now again we have to see the result. So we will store this result 2 here. Okay, in real 2. Okay, copy this line again. Okay, for this also the ID will be same. Okay, and we will assert this value, but this time the value will be different. So go there, we will do manually. Okay, now second time what we have to do, we have to select Indian rupees. Okay, we have to clear this value first, and then we have to pass the value 67. Okay, let's see what is the value. 67567. Okay, so 67567. Okay, and then here we have to select euro. So we will get this value 795.02. Copy this one. So we can see it's a 403, right? So we have to select 03. Okay, so 04, it means we have to select 03. 04 means 03 we have to select previous day. So result 2, it will be result 2, and the value will be we will paste here. Okay, we'll paste here, directly paste here, not an issue. Okay, we'll paste here. Okay, now date we have to change 3. Okay, you can see here, you can see from this website the web date is showing 4, but they have asked us to give the previous date. So 4/3, it means we have to pass 03. Okay, 0303. Now save it. Okay, let's run. We will see, like, if we found any issue, then we will see here. Okay, terminal, new terminal. Okay, first we have to install sh install.sh. Okay, requirement already satisfied because we already did this one, right? Install and all, so that is fine. Now we have to run. So sh, we have to go to Java code first, because this run and all, if you see here, so inside this Python code folder we have run.sh. Okay, if I close this Python code, so you won't find any run.sh, but install you can see. That's why install I have run in the main folder. Okay, now we have to go to the Java code, sorry, Python code, cd Python code. Okay, now here we have to write sh run.sh for running the test cases. Okay, select by index. Okay, something issue in line number 57. Okay, we will see. Okay, select this one. Okay, actually what we are doing now, we have to open a select function first. Okay, we have to write select. We missed this one, that's why we are getting error. Okay, and then we have to close this parenthesis as well. Now we can use this thing. Okay, save it. Now run it again. Okay, assert equals, test selenium object hai, no assert equal. Okay, if not equal, then we will try with equals. Maybe like this function will be there, assert equals. Okay, save it and run it again. We have to do like these things, we have to do, we have to check this one, and we have to try from our end. Okay, assert equals is also not there, then not an issue. We will check. We have to go to this one, and then we have to check how to assert the value in Python. Okay, like in Java and Python there will be some syntax issue, so we have to keep in this mind, like how we are doing these things. Okay, self.assert true is there. Okay, assert true. Okay, assert true, not assert equals. We have to write assert true, assert true. Okay, and then in the second function as well we have to write with assert true. So this will give either true or false. Okay, save it and run it. Okay, assert true also not saving. Okay, just comment out as of now. Okay, just comment out this one. So comment we can use hash key. Okay, we will see like above code is running or not. We have some issue again. We have issue on select by index line number 42. Okay, same thing. We have to use first here select. We have to open the select function, and then we can use the attribute of select. Okay, run it. Okay, this time it is saying passed, but we have to test it again. sh test.sh, it will say like how much scenario we have passed. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, it will check all the scenario present in the compiler, and then it will tell us like how many scenario we have passed and how many scenario we have failed. Okay, so assertion error we have 9 pass and 2 failed. Okay, 9 pass and 2 failed we can see here. 2 failed. Okay, so first is failing. I think we have to use some sleep as well, time dot sleep, so that it will take some time to load. Okay, so what we will do now? Okay, first what we will do, go to the first function. Okay, yeah, so after selecting this index now, we will give some sleep, time dot sleep. Okay, give of 3 seconds. Okay, just copy this time dot sleep. This we will use later again. So yeah, after giving the value also, we will use some sleep. Okay, just make sure about the indentation. Now currency to find, we have selected index 1. Okay, give some pause. Okay, time dot sleep we will give here as well. And after getting the result, we will also be like, after getting that result now, we will give some pause and then we will assert the value. Okay, and same thing we will apply in the second one. Okay, so after selecting the index, so we will give some pause. Okay, of 3 seconds same. Okay, we will clear the value, give some pause. Okay, again after giving the value, give some pause. Okay, and after getting the result, this is selecting index. Okay, give some pause here as well. Okay, and after giving the date, that is fine. Yeah, after the getting the result too, we will give some pause again. Okay, so that it will also load in the variable, and then we will get some time to see the value. Now run it. Okay, we can see here 9 passes. Okay, so 2 are failing, so we will see like which 2 are failing. So like for running, it will take some time. As I told you, there are hidden test cases as well, so they will take some time to see all the test cases, and then we will get the result. Okay, some scenario passed, 8 is passed, 3 is failing. Okay, object has no attribute, assert true. Okay, then what we will do now, we will comment out this one as of now. Okay, again save it and run it again. Okay, let it be running. Okay, meanwhile what we will do now, we will open our validation file. So you can see in the left side we have this one, validate test.py. Okay, open this one. In this one we can see the hidden test cases as well. Okay, so some tests are failing. Okay, so we will see it's a command assert in test file. Okay, assert command type element in test file. Find element method use take. So they are giving something, we have to check like how we will can use the assert. Okay, the value also we can see here. Okay, so first time value is 848.45. okay, 2 test cases are failing again. 84 assertion error. 84. Okay, in validate test.py 84. Okay, why it is failing now, we can see here the value they have given 785.16. okay, and the value which we got from the website is different. Okay, if you see here, so value we are getting 795.02, but in the validate test it is 785.16, so we will use this one value. Okay, I don't know why they are giving in such way. It should not be the ideal case, but I don't know why. So okay, so what we will do now, we will change in validate test.py, because currently we are getting some different value, right? Getting me? Like we will run this scheduler, we will run this locator, right? We will run this locator and then we will get the text. So the text which we are getting here is 795.02 according to our website, but in the validate test py it is 785.16. That's why it is failing. So we will remove this value and give our value. What is the expected outcomes? Okay, save it and now run it again. Okay, 9, you can see 9 passed. Okay, 2 only failing, but we have to pass that 2 again. So again we will run with like this way. Okay, and this time we will, okay, I think they will directly take this element for assertion, but yeah, we will see. We will see something if we can get from here. Test validation change, assert this value date in. Okay, yeah, let's search on Google as well how to assert in Selenium Python. This won't work, already we have seen, right? So we will go to different website. Yeah, in tutorial point we will see how they are asserting the value. Okay, they are also using assert equals. This should be equal, like this should be idle, but I don't know like why they are not taking these things. So we will go with some different so we will go with the different syntax. Assert in is there. Okay, first see like how many is passing. Okay, 10 test case passing, 1 is failing. Okay, and the failing one is 74, line number 74. Okay, see what is 74, this value. Okay, I think they are using 848.45, but what we are getting, see what we are getting, 848.45 they are asking us to check 848.45. yeah, this is same, but I don't know why this is failing. Wait, we will figure out. 4795, correct. Okay, what we will do now, we will copy the same thing. Maybe like some space and all are there na, that's why it will be showing error. So copy this one. Okay, and we will paste the same value here. Or what we will do now, we will copy the value from here. Wait, we have to go to the website. Okay, go to the website. Okay, we will copy value. What we will do, we will click here, euro, we will give value 795, right? 795, and then we will select Indian dollar. Okay, and then copy this value, go to the main validate test.py, and we will give the same value what we are getting there. Okay, save it, now run it. Okay, I will show you like how many test cases are passing. So you can see here 10 test cases are passing. Okay, only 1 is failing, and that is the assertion issue only. So what we did, we just copy the value from the website what we are getting here. Okay, and pasted in the validate test.py file where we are getting the error. Okay, now we will see if it will pass, then okay. If not, then I think 11 test cases are sufficient to clear this exam, so no need to worry. Okay, we grab the information. Okay, how to do. So we will give one try, because we are already running out of the time, only 9 minutes are left. So we'll see. So running, it will take some time. Okay, but we have to wait. Okay, again same case, 10 pass and 1 failing. 74 assertion error, 74 line. Okay, we have a issue here one. Okay, what we will do now, we will do one more try. Okay, we will use some time sleep more. Okay, maybe this will help us to give some pause. So after selecting the date also, now we will give some pause, okay, and then we will take the value, okay, save it and run it. Okay, and we can do one more thing, like we will see the locator is same, right? Locator real only, so not an issue. If this won't work, then we will go with some other path, okay, some other locator. Still same. See the error what they are saying. USD currency assert 848 currency output expected in list logs. Okay, I think they are not able to find the correct value, okay. Okay, so what we will do now, we will use some other locator. If we can do Control F, okay, select input, we will use the X path, okay, @id equals to, we have to give result, okay. This is also a single element, copy this one, okay. Instead of here we will write X path, okay, and we will pass the X path value here, okay, save it. I don't think it's a ID locator issue, but yeah, we will give a try, okay. We have 5 minutes left, only 5 minutes we have, so we will give one more try and we'll check. If not, then okay. Among there are total 11 test cases, so we have covered the 10 test cases, so only one is failing, so not an issue. Because we have a time, so we have given this locator to check. Okay, since it will run, so what we will do, we will check this assertion as well. So we are just assertion, I think they are taking directly, so not an issue. We are seeing they are just taking assertion from there itself, so not an issue. Assertion no need to write, okay. Still assertion error we are getting. See, assertion error we are getting. Assertion error, use USD currency for 795 euro. USD currency. Okay, we have selected here index 0 and then we have selected index 3. Yeah, that is fine, guys. I think like there are some hidden issue which you are not able to check, so I think that is fine, okay. So 11 test cases are among 11 we are clearing 10 test cases, okay. So I think that is fine, not an issue. So we can do one more thing. We can see like if this assertion is working or not, okay. Okay, this is not a function, self assert is not a function, so not an issue. We can remove this thing, okay. These two lines we can remove, okay. Control S, again give one final run, okay. You can see one failed and 10 test cases are passing. Okay, so we are running the final time, so we have around 3 minutes left, so we will run one more second so that we can check like uh, there is no any effect in the code. Okay, okay, still we are have same issue, but yeah, the test cases we can see here. Okay, the test cases we can see here is 10 test cases are passing and one is failing, so that not an issue. Okay, if you can handle this much of issue, so it is fine. So you have covered all the scenario, only one is failing, and that is also valid one. I don't know why they are saying this is not valid, because if you see, so same value we are sending here as well. Okay, so this should be running, but I don't know why it is not running, so not an issue. Okay, so we have less amount of time, so we will submit it. Okay, so let's submit it. Okay, we will check we are getting passed or not. Okay, so we will wait some time so that we can see here we are getting passed or not. It will take some time to load. Okay, so you have to wait for some time. Okay, if you click refresh and all na, so the hands-on won't be considered, and maybe you have to, they have asked you to give an exam again, so you have already spent it around 38 minutes, so just try to wait for 1 to 2 minutes more. Okay, and meanwhile I will tell you something for selenium I have already uploaded videos. There are 90 videos in my channel, so that will be enough for this hands-on. So I will suggest you to go with that courses once again. Okay, so many people are trying from their end, and they are also sending me a message like, yeah, that course is good. So I will also try, ask you to suggest you to go and watch that videos. So that is strictly based on the hands-on what we are going. Okay, so if you given this hands-on na, and once you go to that courses, so you will find we have already, we have all the elements are there. Okay, what elements they are asking here: drop down, click, open URL. Okay, all this thing from basic to advanced. Okay, all the things are there. Okay, so you can watch that thing as well. And for Nightwatch also we have videos, so you can watch that as well. Okay, Cucumber, I am planning to start a new tutorials, but I'm not getting time to start that one, so yeah, we'll see when we can start, but definitely we will start some. So now, okay, now it's quite time, so we can give a try after waiting. So around 1 minute we will give some try, we will see we have passed or not. Okay, go to my course. Okay, so you can see it's passed. Okay, so yeah, that's all in this video guys. We'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, thank you, bye bye.